30 years of training and racing. So all the officials were checking, we are told, is the time on the clock. That was an incomplete pass. That's the ruling. We come back for 4th and 5 for Notre Dame at the BC 35-yard line. Wimbush gonna try to run for it, and he won't get there. Stopped a yard short by Ty Schwab, who's taken over this series for the Eagles defense, along with Zach Allen.
It looked like Allen was shaken up on the play. Had a great rush there, pressure from Harold Landry. Nowhere to go down the field. Landry's going to come up the field. Forces Wimbush out of the pocket. Schwab is there to make a nice play. That's a big stop by BC defensively.
And they got stuck with a running back on Landry, which is not a good matchup for Notre Dame.